Hello and welcome back to another video on ways you could make money online. Today we're going to talk about the 3 hottest trends in affiliate marketing right now. So make sure you stay tuned until the end to learn more about these trends. The first one we're going to talk about is going to be Google Trends. What is Google Trends? Google Trends is a website by Google that analyzes the popularity of top search queries in Google search across various regions and languages. The website uses graphs to compare the search volume of different queries over time, right? So it basically helps you find out how much something is being searched over the internet. And this is our first tip: use Google Trends. Google Trends will help you out find out what people are talking about right now. So for example, if we look at diet, we see that there was a spike on diets and then it started dying down and it's slowly coming back up, right? So people got interested in diets a little while ago and now they're not as interested as they were. Let's take a look at piano, maybe piano lessons. We see that piano stays just the same across the board, right? It doesn't really have many spikes or many drops, right? But let's look at a workout, for example. So we're gonna see that workout is going up, right? It went down a little bit, but it's still going up. Why? Because a lot of people are in their house right now. So we see a small rise on the word workout, but if we type in home workout, we see a huge spike. Why does that happen? Because people started looking for home workouts when they started staying home, right? So basically we're gonna see that all of these type of terms related with everything that happened with this pandemic are gonna have a huge search result because a lot of people got interested in it right after. So what does this mean? It means that a lot of people were looking for those terms because maybe they were looking for things to buy, right? So we want to find things that are trending. That's how we want to find products. We want to find things that are trending in affiliate marketing, and we want to find things that are being searched by people. We want to use Google Trends as a tool to find these products, find these keywords, find the way to find that traffic, you know? So basically, if you're looking for traffic, this will help you find the terms which will help you get that traffic. So for example, we see that affiliate marketing is very popular in New York, Nevada, maybe the District of Columbia, right? Hawaii. So what do I want to do? I want to maybe focus all of my attention to those states, and I'll explain exactly what's going on with my all of my intentions and my attention to those states. I'll get to that. But if we look, for example, online shopping, we see there was a huge spike not that long ago. So again, use this tool to know what's being searched, to know what words that are being used, to know how to phrase and how to find out what people are searching for online. You can use this tool to your advantage in affiliate marketing to a huge success. Now let's go to our number 2 suggestion, right? Or number 2 trend. Our number 2 trend in affiliate marketing right now is using comparison selling, right? So what does comparison selling mean? Comparison selling means that you are going to compare a product with a different product, right? So how do we do this? We are going to look for something that people are looking for, right? So we go to Google Trends, we find a product. We know, for example, health and fitness always does well, so we're gonna go to health and fitness and we're gonna search in there, right? And we know that a lot of people have been inside, so a lot of people have probably had back pain from sitting down for long periods of time, right? So we see a few products over here, but the first one that pops to my eyes is that back pain one, right? So it has very high gravity, which means a lot of people are selling it. It has a good commission. You can look for other products out here if you like something a little bit better, but I believe that back pain one is a good product, right? So how do we do comparison selling? Maybe I just compare it to a different product that's already being sold out there. Maybe I find a community of people who use some kind of strap for their back or something, or I find people who already have that problem, and then I offer my product to those people, right? So I can take this back pain product, I can search and see if it's being sold. We see that it's pretty even across the board. But let's say I decided I wanna sell it, right? Because I think it's gonna do well. So I'm gonna go to my marketplace. I'm gonna find a product that's related to that. I'm gonna find another product that's already popular that's related to the same issue, and then I'm gonna compare my product to that product. I'm gonna say my product is better because of this reason, because of that reason, and because of this reason. And you could even do it with different products within the same affiliate marketplace, right? You can search back pain and you can look for different products and be like, hey, have you ever used this product? Well, I think this product is better for you. So you are targeting those sales to a more specific audience, to people who already have that issue and that are looking for a solution. So it's a good way for you to find those people, show them a different product, have them try a different method to solve their problem, and maybe it will even help them. Maybe it's not the solution for them, but you'll help them find that solution and you'll make money on the way. So it's a very good way to make money. Make sure you use those tools, the comparison selling and the Google Trends, in order to maximize your sales online. Now, our third and last trend we have to share with you is reinvesting your money. I cannot stress how important reinvesting your money is. You can do this in several different ways, and I'll show you how. The first one is running ads. What do I mean by that? We can always post a review about a product with our link. We can always post some kind of social media post with a link, right? We can go to communities and post all that stuff. But what's really gonna get to people is going to be the ads. Why? Because there's 1.6 billion people who are reached by Facebook ads, right? So if you do this correctly, you're gonna make money back. So reinvest some of the money that you're making on your sales into Facebook ads so that you can make more money next time, right? So taking a little bit of the money you already made and putting it back in makes you get more money the next time. So first you have to choose your objective. You do this by defining what you want from the ad. What do you want the ad to do? What's my purpose for this ad? So you answer a series of questions that will help you define what the purpose of your ad is. So your first step is to choose your objective on Facebook ads, right? What do you want to do with this ad? Then you're going to select your audience. Selecting your audience is very important. You want to select people that are interested in your product. For example, if you're selling the back pain product, I'm not going to post that to people who are younger than 30, for example, because the possibilities of them having back pain are way lower than the possibilities of an older person having back pain, right? So make sure that you're choosing who your ad is going to depending on your product, right? So it's very important that you do this and that you do it correctly so that it reaches the people it should reach, which takes us to our next step, which is decide where to run your ad. So now, if we remember the tool Google Trends that we were using a little bit earlier, we're gonna be able to use that trend to that tool to determine where we should run our ad, because there are specific sites in which the words that we are typing in are going to be more searched for than other areas, right? So we want to run our ads with more intensity in those areas, which is what I meant by saying we have to put our efforts into one area, right? So if we know that something is being sold in New York more than it is in I don't know, Dallas, then we want to invest more money in New York, which takes us to the next step, which is select your budget. You can choose whatever budget you like, but the more money you invest, the more people it reaches, right? So if you want 100,000 people to see it, then it might be better to invest a little bit more money than if you are selling something local and you know that you only need like 10,000 people, right? So if you're selling something local, you might want to target your ad to your location, and then you want to target to people around you, right? And maybe you don't have to invest that much. But in this case, since you're selling online, the more you invest, the more people it reaches, and the more people it reaches, the more sales you could get. Then you have to pick a format, right? So you have to pick in which way it's going to be portrayed on social media or whichever, right? And one of the biggest tools that I can share with you to do this, right? So let's say I wanna sell this one because it's a good product, and this back pain product, right? So I think $38. Let's say I set up a budget of $20 because that's less than one of my sales, and then I want to post that on Facebook, on a Facebook ad, and I don't know what to post, I don't know what to set up. Well, the best advice I can give you is to use one of these links right here. These usually have tools to help you sell the product, right? They have videos, pictures, graphics, all that type of stuff to help you sell the product better. So if you're looking for things to help you sell, you can do it over here. Once you've done all this, your ad is basically ready. You just have to place your order, which is what it sounds. You just place your order for your ad to start running, and then after that you can measure and manage your ad. You can measure how much success it's having, and you can use other type of ads, not only Facebook. You can use YouTube ads, you can use Google ads, you could have your own web page, you could advertise anywhere as long as you're getting traffic and you're getting people to watch you. That's the key. Now, another way of reinvesting, which not many people talk about, is actually educating yourself on the subject. And one of the ways to educate yourself in affiliate marketing is through the Affiliates Club. I believe the Affiliates Club is one of the best ways to learn more about affiliate marketing and to connect yourself with a bunch of other affiliate marketers and companies that are trying to sell their products. So it's a very good way to get immersed into the affiliate marketing business in a very much more professional way. It's very cheap to get the course. It's only $6.95. It used to be $47, but it was gonna help you get your business off the ground and get you making money in no time, in ways that you wouldn't even imagine possible on the internet. So make sure you at least sign up. It's free to sign up. Make sure you use your Google Trends so that you know what to sell. Make sure you are comparing products on your affiliate market site so that you can sell them better. Make sure you're running ads on Facebook, running ads on YouTube, running ads on Google, and make sure that you are educating yourself and joining clubs and other type of tools that could help you become a better affiliate marketer. Finally, we want to thank you very much for watching our video. We are very appreciative of you watching our videos, and we hope that you enjoy them and that you find them helpful. If you do, and if you've made money with one of our videos, please let us know in the comments. We'd like to know how it went for you. We also want to invite you to subscribe to the channel so you know next time we have another awesome video for you on ways to make money online. Remember that we are constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online or how to better your business online. So make sure to subscribe, make sure you turn on the notifications so you're one of the first ones to find out next time we have another awesome video for you. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you later.